Hello, hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Smartsheet as a beginner. Smartsheet is a project management tool that helps you track tasks, collaborate with team members, and stay organized. It's a great tool for businesses of all sizes, and it's especially useful for beginners. What is Smartsheet, you may ask? Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management tool that allows you to create and manage projects, tasks, and documents. It is a powerful tool that can help you track your progress, collaborate with team members, and stay organized. Why should you use Smartsheet compared to numerous other CRM platforms out there? There are many reasons to use Smartsheet, including it's easy to use, as Smartsheet is designed to be easy to use even for beginners. It's powerful. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you track your progress, collaborate with team members, and stay organized. Also, it is very affordable. Smartsheet is an affordable tool that can be used by businesses of all sizes and different budgets. Now, how to get started with Smartsheet? Well, the first thing you will need to do is go onto smartsheet.com. Once on smartsheet.com, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap right where you see Try Smartsheet for free. After you have done that, you'll be led to a new page on which you'll be prompted to enter your email address and you're going to enter some basic information. Once you have verified your email address, you'll be redirected to this page, and all you have to do right here where you see select your team, you could tap right there, and from there you can select the industry that you're in. So let's say, for example, I were to select education. Then you'll see specifically I manage, select up to 3 type of works, and from there you can tap right there. Then you can select budgeting, event planning, and you can select any one of these. Then you'll tap on next. After tapping on next, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to create your first project. Or if you don't want to create your first project and you just want to go to the dashboard, all you'll have to do is tap on no thanks. After you have tapped on no thanks, you will be redirected to the dashboard, and you can see this is how your Smartsheet dashboard looks. Now all I want you to do is pay attention to the left hand menu option. And from the left hand menu option at the top right here, you can see the home button and you can see notifications. Then if you would like to browse, you could tap on browse templates, or to create a new sheet, you could go over to the left hand menu option, tap right where you see create. After you have tapped on create, you can see the options start a new sheet, report, or dashboard. Then you can select from any one of these templates. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this form of template right here, the grid. All you'll have to do is tap on it. Then you can name your sheet. So let's say I want to name this one test. Then tap on OK. After you have done that, you can see that it has been saved and you are going to be redirected to this page. And you can see how your sheet looks right here. And you can see the various columns on which you'll be able to add information. So all you have to do is tap on the column. After you have tapped on the column, from there you'll be able to add any information that you want. And you can also see numerous editing options on the right hand menu option. So for example, if you would like to add a comment, if you would like to add attachments, you can do that, as you can see right here. Or if you would like to add brand folder or anything at all, you can do that from the right hand menu option. Also, you can see the top editing options right here. So for example, if you would like to change the font style or font size, you can do that. Also, if you would like to erase or make any changes, you can also do that. So now that you know how to create your sheet, if you would like to share it, all you have to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on share, from there you can invite persons. all you'll have to do is add their email address right here. Then you're going to add a message, and you'll simply tap on Share Sheet in the bottom right hand corner. Also, you can edit the permission that the person will have once they have received the sheet. So for example, if you want them to have editing options, you can do that. If you want the person that receives the sheet to be only able to view it and not change anything on it, all you would have to do is tap right where you see Viewer. So they'll only be able to view your sheet. They won't be able to change anything on it. So once you have done that, you're going to simply tap on Share Sheet at the bottom right hand corner. And another thing that I love with this platform is that it gives you a 30-day free trial period, as you can see right here. But before leaving this page, there are a few things that I should show you. For example, if you would like to import information from Microsoft Excel or so on, all you have to do is tap right where you see File in the left hand menu option. Then you'll tap on Import, and from there you'll see the option to import from Microsoft Excel. And also, if you would like to create an automation, all you have to do is tap on Automation. Then from there you could create a new workflow automation by simply tapping on the plus right there. And you can see that they have numerous workflow templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and you can select any one of these templates. Or if you would like to create a template from scratch, all you have to do is go up to the top right hand corner and tap on Create from Scratch. But let's say, for example, I were to use one of their preloaded templates. All I would have to do is tap on it, then tap on Use Template. After you have tapped on Use Template, you'll be redirected to this page. And the first thing you're going to be doing is naming your workflow template. Once you have done that, you can see how the automation is set up. And if it is to your liking, all you have to do is tap on Save. And after doing that, you're going to add an email address right here. So let me do that real quick. Then tap on Save. And you can see that I've created my first workflow template, as you can see right here. And to make any editing to the template, all I have to do is hover over it, then tap on Edit, and I would be able to make changes. And also, if you would like to deactivate it, all you have to do is tap on the three dots right beside Edit. Then from there, you could deactivate it. Also, if you would like to duplicate it, you can do that. And if you would like to delete it, you can simply tap on Delete right there, then select Delete, and you can see that it is deleting the template. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And also you can use Smartsheet. Smartsheet to create forms if you want. All you have to do is tap on Forms in the top left hand menu option. Then from there you could tap on Create Form. And then you're going to give it a few seconds. And you can see right here, it has a preloaded form. And you can make any editing changes you want by simply going over to the left hand menu option. And from there, if you would like to add a new field, all you have to do is tap on New Field. Then you can scroll down and you can see the different field types. So you can select the field that you would like to add. Once it is finished and to your liking, you would tap on Settings right here. And then from there, you can see the different theme styles. And after everything, all you'll have to do now is simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and then you'll be able to share your form by tapping on Share Form. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you're going to use Smartsheet, just drop a comment and let me know. And thanks for watching.